Are you ready for a journey to one of Europe's most stunning and historic cities? Vienna, the heart of Austria, is a city of royalty, culture, and incredible beauty. Whether you're dreaming of grand palaces, breathtaking cathedrals, or delicious local food, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll show you the top places to visit in Vienna so you can make the most of your trip. And trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming. Hey everyone! Today we're diving into Vienna's best spots. Stick with me as we explore the city's royal history, best eats, and how to get around easily. And before we get started, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any more amazing travel content. Let's get started. Best places and prices. Schönbrunn Palace and Gardens. Schönbrunn Palace is one of Vienna's most iconic landmarks, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that once served as the summer residence of the Habsburg emperors. The grandeur of the palace's 1,441 rooms and its expansive Baroque gardens make it a must-visit. The entry fee for a full tour of the palace is approximately $22 for adults and $15 for students and children. If you're on a budget, you can still explore the vast gardens for free, which are an attraction in their own right. Expert historian Karl Vakelka calls the palace a symbol of Austria's cultural richness and imperial history. The Belvedere Palace. The Belvedere Palace is another architectural gem that also doubles as an art museum. Home to famous works by Gustav Klimt, including The Kiss, the palace is a haven for art lovers. A full admission ticket to both the upper and lower Belvedere costs around $16 to $22 depending on the exhibits. According to travel expert Stephanie Cox, the Belvedere combines art and architecture in a way that fully encapsulates Vienna's historical and cultural significance. The gardens between the two palaces are free to access and are perfect for a leisurely stroll. St. Stephen's Cathedral. St. Stephen's Cathedral is not only the most important religious building in Vienna, but also a marvel of Gothic architecture. The entry to the main area of the cathedral is free, but if you want to explore the towers or catacombs, a ticket will cost around $5 to $14. For the adventurous, climbing the 343 steps of the South Tower offers panoramic views of the city. Architectural expert Hans Egger states, St. Stephen's is a testament to Vienna's long-standing religious and architectural heritage. The Vienna State Opera. For those interested in Vienna's musical heritage, a visit to the Vienna State Opera is a must. Even if you can't catch a full performance, guided tours of the opera house are available at approximately $9 for adults and $4 for children. The opera is renowned for its high-quality performances, but budget-conscious travelers can get standing tickets for as low as $3 to $10 on the day of the show. The Vienna State Opera is not just a building, but a living museum of the city's musical history, notes music critic Anna Mueller. Museums Quartier, MQ. If you're into contemporary art, design, and culture, Museums Quartier should be on your list. This cultural district houses various museums, such as the Leopold Museum and the Museum of Modern Art. The prices vary depending on the exhibitions, ranging from $8 to $15 per museum. However, many of the outdoor spaces are free to explore, making it a perfect spot for budget travelers. Expert curator Daniel Hohenberg claims, the MQ blends Vienna's historic past with its vibrant modern cultural scene. Best transportation options and prices. Public transportation in Vienna. Vienna boasts an extensive public transportation network, including buses, trams, and the U-Bahn subway. The system is highly efficient, with regular services running throughout the day and night. For most visitors, a 24-hour, 48-hour, or 72-hour travel pass is a great option. Prices start at $8 for a 24-hour pass, $14.10 for 48 hours, and $17.10 for 72 hours, granting you unlimited access to all public transportation. You can easily purchase tickets at ticket machines or online through the official Wiener Linien app. Using public transportation is not only cost-effective, but also an environmentally friendly option. For example, tourists looking to explore the famous Schönbrunn Palace or the Belvedere Museum will find the U-Bahn's U4 line extremely convenient. Whether you're on a short or extended trip, Vienna's public transport provides great value. Cycling through Vienna. Vienna is a bike-friendly city, offering over 1,300 kilometers of cycling paths. If you prefer an active, eco-friendly way to explore, cycling is an excellent option. The city's bike-sharing system, City Bike Vienna, allows you to rent bikes at several locations. The best part? The first hour is free, and after that, it's just $1 for the second hour and $4 for every additional hour. Many tourists and locals alike enjoy biking along the Danube River or through Vienna's famous parks, such as the Prater. This option not only saves you money, but also lets you take in the city's sights at a leisurely pace. With well-marked lanes and dedicated bike paths, cycling around Vienna is both enjoyable and safe. Taxis and ride-sharing. For those looking for convenience and comfort, taxis and ride-sharing services like Uber are readily available in Vienna. Taxis charge a base fare of around $4, with additional costs of about $1.50 per kilometer. For a short 10-minute trip across the city center, you can expect to pay between $10 and $15. Ride-sharing services like Uber offer similar prices but may be slightly more affordable depending on the time of day and demand. These options are great for visitors who want a quick and comfortable way to get around, especially late at night when public transportation might not be running as frequently. Keep in mind that while taxis and ride-sharing offer convenience, they are significantly more expensive than public transportation or cycling. Walking tours. One of the most underrated transportation options in Vienna is walking. The city center, known as the Innere is compact and filled with beautiful architecture, making it easy to explore on foot. Many of Vienna's top attractions, such as St. Stephen's Cathedral and the Hofburg Palace, are within walking distance of each other. Best of all, walking is free, and it allows you to experience Vienna's charm up close. If you're interested in a guided experience, several companies offer walking tours ranging from $15 to $25 per person. These tours provide historical insights and anecdotes, making your walk through Vienna not only scenic, but also educational. For budget-conscious travelers, walking is a cost-effective way to immerse yourself in the city's culture and history. Airport transfer options. If you're flying into Vienna, you'll need to consider how to get from Vienna International Airport to the city center. Fortunately, there are several options available to suit different budgets. The City Airport train, CAT, is one of the fastest options, taking just 16 minutes and costing $12 one way. A more affordable alternative is the S-Bahn suburban train, which takes around 25 minutes and costs only 4.20 for a one-way trip. Additionally, bus services such as Vienna Airport Lines offer connections to various points in the city for around $8. Private shuttles and taxis are available for around $36 to $50 depending on traffic and time of day. No matter your budget, there are plenty of ways to reach the city center quickly and easily. Best restaurants and prices. Traditional Viennese dining experience. Vienna is renowned for its rich culinary heritage, and no trip would be complete without experiencing its traditional dishes. Restaurants like Figlmüller and Plaschuta are iconic spots where you can enjoy Wiener Schnitzel or Tafelspitz. These places offer authentic, high-quality Austrian food in an upscale yet relaxed atmosphere. A typical meal at Figlmüller, known for its enormous schnitzel, costs around 15 to 25 bond per person. If you opt for a fine dining experience at Plaschuta, known for its legendary boiled beef, expect prices in the range of $20,000 to $40,000. These meals offer more than just food. They provide a deep dive into Viennese culture. While slightly pricier, these iconic establishments are must-visits for first-time visitors looking for the quintessential Austrian experience. Affordable and casual dining in Vienna. While Vienna has its share of high-end restaurants, there are plenty of affordable dining options for those on a budget. Naschmarkt, the city's most famous open-air market, offers a variety of eateries where you can grab a meal for as little as 5 £5. Local favorite Douan serves fresh Mediterranean dishes and is a great spot for a budget-friendly meal in the market. For those craving something more casual, VIENNA'S House is a traditional tavern where you can enjoy hearty meals like goulash or pork roast for around 10 to 15. Vienna's street food scene also offers cheap and delicious snacks, with Käsekraner, cheese-filled sausages, available from food stalls for as little as 4 to 6. These affordable options allow you to sample local flavors without overspending. International cuisine in Vienna. Vienna's cosmopolitan nature is reflected in its diverse restaurant scene, which offers a wide range of international cuisines. If you're in the mood for Italian, Greek, or even Japanese food, the city won't disappoint. Head to the First District, where you'll find Vapiano, an Italian chain that offers delicious pasta and pizzas for around 10 to 15 per person. If you're a sushi lover, check out Mochi, a trendy Japanese restaurant where meals typically range from $20 to $35. For Mediterranean flavors, Corbaci in the Museum's Quartier serves Turkish and Greek-inspired dishes for around 15 to $20. Vienna's international dining scene ensures that no matter your cravings, there's always something to satisfy them. Fine dining and Michelin-starred restaurants. For those seeking a luxurious dining experience, Vienna is home to several Michelin-starred restaurants. One of the most famous is Steierreck, located in Stadtpark, which has 2 Michelin stars and is ranked among the world's best restaurants. Expect to spend around $150,000 to $200 for a tasting menu, where every course is a culinary masterpiece. Another top pick is Constantin Philippou, where a set menu costs between $120 to $150, offering a mix of Mediterranean and Austrian flavors. Fine dining in Vienna is a true indulgence and offers a chance to experience the creativity and passion that goes into world-class cuisine. While prices are high, the experience is worth every penny for food connoisseurs. Coffee houses and dessert spots. Vienna is not only famous for its restaurants, but also for its traditional coffee houses and dessert spots. Café Central, one of the most historic and elegant coffee houses, offers a wide selection of cakes and pastries, including the famous Sachertorte, with prices ranging from 5 to 8 cheese for a slice. A cup of coffee at iconic spots like Café Sperl or Café Demel costs around 3 to 5, making it an affordable luxury for anyone visiting Vienna. These coffee houses are perfect for relaxing after a long day of sightseeing and provide an authentic Viennese experience. Whether you're indulging in Apfelstrudel or sipping a melange, these spots offer a taste of Vienna's sweet side. Where to stay and prices. Staying in the inner city. The inner city, also known as Innenstadt, is where the heart of Vienna beats. This area is rich in history, with iconic landmarks like St. Stephen's Cathedral, the Hofburg Palace, and the State Opera House. Staying here means you're right at the center of everything. As expected, accommodation prices in this district reflect its prime location. High-end hotels can range from $300 to $600 per night, offering luxury experiences in some of Vienna's finest establishments. For those with a more modest budget, boutique hotels and mid-range options will still set you back around $150 to $300 per night. The convenience of being close to everything makes it worth the price, especially for first-time visitors. Staying in Leopoldstadt. Just across the river from the inner city, Leopoldstadt offers a more relaxed vibe, making it perfect for travelers seeking a quieter, more residential experience. This area is home to the famous Prater Park, where the iconic giant Ferris wheel is located. Prices in Leopoldstadt are notably lower than the inner city, with budget hotels and hostels starting from $50 to $100 per night. Mid-range accommodations are also more affordable, ranging from $120 to $200. The excellent public transport links mean you're still just a few minutes away from the hustle and bustle of the central district without paying premium prices. Staying in Mariahilf. Mariahilf is known for its shopping streets, trendy cafes, and lively atmosphere. This district is perfect for younger travelers, backpackers, and those who love to be close to both cultural and modern attractions. You can find affordable accommodation options, especially hostels and budget hotels, starting from $40 to $90 per night. If you're looking for something mid-range, expect prices to hover between $100 and $180. Mariahilf also offers a variety of Airbnb options, perfect for travelers who prefer a more local experience or are looking to save on dining out by cooking for themselves. Staying in Landstrasse. Landstrasse is a district that perfectly balances convenience and calm. With its proximity to Vienna's train station and the famous Belvedere Palace, it attracts tourists who want to experience Vienna's cultural gems without staying in the overly busy city center. The accommodation options in Landstrasse cater to a wide range of budgets. For budget travelers, hostels and two-star hotels can be found for as low as $50 to $80 per night. For a more comfortable stay, mid-range hotels range from $100 to $170. It's an ideal location for those who want to explore the city while still having a peaceful retreat to come back to. Staying in Neubau. Neubau is a hip and artsy district, perfect for creative souls and those who love exploring galleries, museums, and independent boutiques. Known for the Museums Quartier, this neighborhood has a unique charm and is very popular among young professionals and artists. The prices here are quite varied, with budget accommodations starting from around $60 to $110 per night, depending on the season. For mid-range travelers, prices range from $120 to $200. Neubau also has a vibrant nightlife, so if you're someone who enjoys evening outings, this could be the perfect area for you. Vienna is a city where history, art, and culture collide to create an unforgettable travel experience. Whether you're wandering through palaces, indulging in Viennese cuisine, or admiring world-class art, there's something for everyone. We hope this guide helps you plan your perfect trip to Vienna. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more travel guides. Let us know in the comments which place in Vienna you're most excited to visit.